Welcome to Lorrie's World.
Someone asked me to do a video of the front of the yard. There's supposed to be a big decorative piece of wood somewhere in there. It's a little bit covered with everything. So this is the front of the house. This is down the road where the other trees are being killed off by the ivy.
It's
So we don't know. We do hopefully have an arborist coming out next week. I have no idea. Here, do you want to hold this while I can take a pic? I have my phone. I can do an ID.
there.
Myrtle. Pacific wax myrtle.
Huh?
Also known as California bayberry. This plant looks sick.
They all
Imagine
look
that, eh?
they all look sick. You
Only
already
being killed.
you already know what that stuff is, don't you?
Yeah, that's that huckleberry, I think.
Okay. Here. And then
Yeah, pretty sure that this area that's mowed is county.
I think they just chop that stuff.
Pretty sure that's us.
And,
Did you want to go back here and look?
well, that would probably be the last one.
There's some piece of garbage right up there.
Yeah, well,
I don't know what that is, but look at how, like,
that's all pine needles. That's rolled up. That's dirt there.
yeah.
You know, that's garbage. This is all garbage.
Yeah, it's all just where they limb trees and just let it drop. You can see our fence up in there.
Yeah. Posts are okay, but the fence is shot.
Yeah. Well, where does the fence come to? There's that post, see?
I don't think. Well, it might be. But the measurements you gave me, that's.
Yeah, that's where that path goes through, or used to go through.
Yeah, I need to come out here and clear it out. Without me, you'd have to.
What are these? These are just branches that have been dropped?
Stuff that they limbed and
They just
broke off.
left.
Stuff that broke off.
Mm.
But there, see, look at that. They cut it.
Oh my.
And they just left
Just
it.
leave the stumps
Yeah.
to rot. Yeah.
So they must have had it. They either fell a tree or a tree fell over, and they came in.
And they came in and cleaned it up so that the...
Moved it over to whoever owns
Yeah,
it.
I don't really care what they do over there. And I don't expect behind our yard to be ever become pristine and beautiful. But,
Well, no,
you know, I mean, this is...
that's a lifetime project to clean that out halfway decent.
Yeah.
The only thing I worry about is somebody coming back looking there and they say, "Hey, this is
a fire hazard. You need to do something."
Yeah. Well, they have to go and get the people that own the property to take care of this.
Yeah. I suppose I should get a hold of the surveyor.
But the thing is Oregon is one of those don't touch the forest, I think.
Right. That's why we have to get a hold of the surveyor to find out where our property ends.
Yeah.
Right? Because we can't be going into the forest land and tearing any of it up. We will have to get a hold of whoever owns this land to get access with some equipment. You know, whether he brings his shredder out here or what they decide to do. Like, look at that. That tree's completely dead.
You know,
This little one right
yeah.
here.
Well, look at the one by the fence.
Yeah.
It's just they cut it. See, they trimmed it down to there. Why
Yeah.
didn't they cut the damn thing off?
Right? Stupid. I don't believe they hired professionals to do this, even though we paid for professionals to do this.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have no idea if any of this stuff can be saved. Huh? It's just like a storage shed or something.
What was it?
I don't think it's being used for anything right now, honey. Be my guess.
But anyway.
So yeah, there's that.
That's the front.
That's the front. Look at all the lovely ivy. I think some of that is that sedum.
The what?
These things here
Yeah.
that are sticking up, I think that might actually be something that's decent and worth keeping. All right, so here you go, walking up to the front of the house. Parking here. That's our property there. The garage, and then here's the front parking area. Lana wanted a description of what was she said, you got to show me how everything is laid out so that she could be oriented when she came down. She says, you know, your videos show this and that and bits of this and that and the other, but never like a whole walk around. So this is into the backyard. This is some of the garbage and
The doors aren't unlocked, are they?
no, I don't think so. I'll have to go. I want to go around and go all the way down to that, down that side too.
Yeah.
So these are things that we have already trimmed, or Dave has already trimmed and hauled back here. To the vines from out back and stuff.
I might pressure wash some of those boards because they're treated boards. I'll press see
Are
if
they?
I can use them over here on the fence to fix it, kind of.
Yeah, prop it up for a while.
Or do something.
Yeah, so
But
you
see,
can.
there, here. There's something here. There's some kind of.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Rock. There's that.
But
one.
it's all been.
Right. And then there's this one.
No, no, yeah.
There's this one.
So this was all kept up at one time. Somebody actually cared about this yard. I imagine Phil was the last person who cared about this yard. Because he used to come out here and play quite often, trimming stuff and cutting back all the vines and...
There's some more bricks here. There's another thing here.
Yeah, so is this a fire pit or something down here?
No, I think it was just something planted here. But I don't know. I haven't dug down in there. I don't know if there's rock or something back there.
Okay, probably.
But this is all coming out.
Yeah, this is all coming out, all these roadies. I hate roadies. They're such a mess. It's so dirty. Let me get in behind here. Yeah. It's a jungle in here. And these, like, I don't know. What was the purpose of these?
I don't know. The only thing I can figure is that they had something growing on them, probably.
Hmm.
It's lattice work.
Yeah.
And it's got a frame. It's on a frame.
More of the lovely fence. And this pile number
Whatever.
1432. It's just piles of wood, I think, and debris.
There's a big old root here.
Well, yeah.
I don't know where it goes for sure.
No idea.
It might be part of this stump.
Yeah.
See, look at there. There's a big old root.
Oh, yeah. You sink down a good couple of inches in here. There's a stump. Like, why? Why? Just why?
Yeah, I don't understand that either.
Like, I suppose you could clean it up and turn it into like a fairy house. That's a big priority for Dave. He loves those fairy houses. Oh, more spots where the fence is going to have something done with it. But the posts are solid.
The posts are solid. This fencing.
But the fencing has been eaten away by.
I don't know. I have to imagine maybe you can just order sections.
Yeah. And then this little forest back here. Oh, that's a holly bush. Just here.
So you're gonna keep that.
Yeah, keep that. Probably gets nice holly berries on it. But we'll get rid of the stuff that's growing into it. Breaking off and falling on us.
Some of this stuff. See, I guess I should have bought one of them things. You only use it.
One of what things?
Those extension poles for the chainsaw.
Oh.
See, look at all the limbs. Those limbs need to be.
Anyway.
Whatever.
Coming through, this is the back now.
I think this is our septic.
We think this is
where the septic tank hole is.
To get down into the septic system.
That's the only place.
We don't know why all of this crap is planted here. We have no idea what it is. Some kind of bulbs or something.
But to see, they got that stuff over there too. So
yeah,
is it
it's
this?
all over. It's here, it's there, it's way over there.
Is this, he said?
I think this is the one, because he said it was about 6 feet from the corner of the house.
Oh, okay. So it is.
Yeah.
It's got to be it. But it's freshly dug up. That is.
Yeah.
And then you got all these big old huge roots.
Yeah.
Probably coming from these two.
Well, who knows? Look at the look at the size of these roots here. Look at this.
That's
from these giant trees. Which good. I mean, at least they kept the vines off of these ones that are in the yard. But these are also the ones that they limbed and just tossed the limbs over the fence. So, you know, 6 of one, half dozen of the other. Anyway, this is coming up on the back.
Yeah, I gotta do something here too.
Yeah, I would just leave it for now until we decide to get the siding fixed.
Wow.
I know it's ugly, but yeah. This is the back gate out into the back 40. I'll just step out here a little bit. You can see. This is that disaster area we showed you in that video. And here's the back door. I don't know, did I unlock that this morning?
Huh?
Did I unlock that this morning? Nope, I sure didn't. There's a door into the garage. You guys have seen out here. This is the backyard. I don't think I've shown you much of this side yard yet, though. So we'll go out here and go around to the front again. Oh.
No, you pull it Why do
You got,
do that?
I don't know. It actually will pull, but for
It's
some
my-
reason,
my
I
engineer,
keep pushing.
my engineer, and
Ah, I'm crazy. Anyway, this is the side yard. Pretty sure it just goes all the way over to where the neighbor's yard is there.
put all the crap in there. There's lattice work in there.
Yeah,
See, there
you can
was-
see, look at, there's all kinds of stuff that's been buried down in here. Like, I don't know what the hell they were thinking.
Well, they weren't yard.
They didn't care, obviously. Here's some, I don't know if this is a tree that's fallen or if that's a
No, that's a tie.
That's a
like
tie, and then there's one there.
Let's-
More stumps. Oh, somebody's ball.
Yeah.
How long do you think that ball has been there, folks?
I have no idea.
Tell me, how long do you think that ball has been there? It's been a day or two, I'd say.
And all this, you know.
Oh yeah, this is all a disaster too.
Well, it depends on.
I wish the neighbor was out. We could ask him where his property ends, where ours begins.
They said his property.
Where's the property line? I think ours goes right to, see how he's got a little retaining fence there? I don't know if you can see it from here. You can see it from right here.
Yeah, this.
Can you see it?
That's
Green. It's green.
green.
Yeah, see it right down there? Past that tree and down.
I don't see it. I see this thing here that's black.
Oh, is it black? Okay, you're right. It is black.
Are you colorblind?
I guess. Okay, it is black. That thing, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So that's probably his property.
But wait a minute.
And here we are, out front again. That's the whole thing. You can see where I went in and started digging out some of the vines here. That took me about 4 hours.
Assuming that where he has this all weeded out is what they're saying their property line.
This is probably his property line, yeah. The rest of it's probably ours. Should probably take that tree down, or that branch down that's dying before it falls on his car or something. See that one that's sticking out of there?
Oh, that.
Look at it. Does not look healthy.
We gotta find out first where.
Yeah. Well, I'm pretty sure that tree is on our property. Anyway, here's the only sunny spot. This is where the greenhouse needs to go.
Where the hell are we gonna park the car?
I don't know. It is like the only place that's getting sun, though. Backyard is still, everything is shaded back here.
Because of those trees there.
Yeah. Oh, honey. What have we gotten ourselves into?
Well, what have we? Well, that's Lori's work for the day.
I was climbing up the fence, so I pulled it off the fence.
I pulled one ivy vine.
I pulled an ivy vine.
So I can quit now.
Yeah, I can go inside now and rest. Oh, I love you, honey.